This is an overview video on how to access WeVideo and also the features that you can utilize when you're creating your video or book trailer. The first step after you've logged into your Chromebook is to choose the launcher, which is down here, the circle at the bottom left corner. You click on that, and then WeVideo should be one of your choices. If it's not right here on this main screen, choose All Apps, and then choose WeVideo. Once it loads, it's going to ask you for your Google login, your school login. So you choose your school email account. And I'm actually fortunate I'm using my daughter so I can see what you guys will see on your end. And then you choose the blue Allow button. Once WeVideo loads, you're going to be at the dashboard. The free version allows us to do 5 minutes worth. The free version allows you to do 5 minutes worth of recording or less, and it also allows you 1 gigabyte of storage, which this should be plenty of storage and plenty of time for a book trailer video. To start, you'll click on Create New. And once it loads, you will see there are 5 different tabs that you can choose from when you're creating your video. Your media tab, which is what we're on right now, is probably empty. There's probably no images or audio on there. Mine has that because of the book trailer that I've already created, the Among the Hidden book trailer. However, like I said, yours should not have anything in it yet unless you've used WeVideo in the past. Media is just the tab where you would upload your images. So to import your media, you would click on this green cloud. If you wanted to do voiceover, you wanted to record your own voice to be on the video, this is what you would choose, this microphone, and it would actually record your voice. And I will go into more detail in the next video on how you actually create your video as an example to you, so you can see how that's done. But this is just where you'll find all of your media that you will use when you're creating your video. The next tab is the text tab. This tab offers things that we cannot use in the free version, but it also offers 2 that you can. So static titles and annotations are both free. The one that you probably use the most is static titles. These are overlays that you can actually put on top of an image. So if you remember in the Among the Hidden book trailer, I used subtitle 1 or subtitle 2 frequently, and I actually would add the words in that I wanted to speak. So they'd be on the screen as well as being spoken. So that's how you would use the text feature. The next feature or tab is the audio tab. This is where you're going to find the music, the background, the theme music that you'll use for your book trailer. Keep in mind, that you're thinking about the theme and the tone of your book when you choose the music. There are some more mysterious sounding ones on here, such as the dramatic sensitive piano. There's also more upbeat music. So it's just up to you based on what your book's about and how you want to decide what music it should have. The next tab is transitions. And this is how you want your images to transition in your video. So if you want crossfade, if you look at the screen to the right there, it actually shows you what that looks like. Here's cross dissolve. There's a bunch of different choices there that you can choose on your own, depending on how you want them to change while you're watching the video. The next thing and the last one is the graphics tab. And this is where you can choose images that can go on the background, and you can actually put like the title over these, however you want to use those. There's solids and there's even overlays. So if you want your image to have snow coming over top of it, you can do that. Bad screen, which I think is kind of, makes it look like it's not working correctly. There's a few on here that are kind of fun. So those are just some ideas that you can add to your video. And then, of course, there's also the last one is frames. You can actually add these frames over top of your images that you choose. So those are just some kind of fun features. So those are just some of the overview and some of the features and things that you can use when you're creating a video. The next video that I'm going to do is just I'm going to actually create a video along. You can kind of watch as I do it, so you can see how you drag and drop and how you choose the music and that kind of thing. But this one was just kind of just to show you some of the features that WeVideo has. And I know you guys are very, very creative, and you can kind of, we're going to allow you to play with it and let you see what you can do. So good luck to you, and I hope you have some fun doing this.